Welcome to the Pogue Police Job Showcase. In this video, I'll be introducing version 3 of our script, a release packed with major improvements and optimizations built on everything we've developed over time. I'll walk you through what's new, what's been upgraded, and why this update delivers a smoother, more powerful police experience in RedM. First of all, the script includes a built-in Radial menu, and it allows you to handle key police actions quickly and smoothly. With it, you can clock in/clock out for duty, start and end your shift, equip, remove, and customize your badge, manage criminal interactions, suspect-focused actions and controls, access horse and wagon features tied to the police job, open the criminal record book, commonly known as an MDT, but in RedM we chose to brand it as the criminal record book for a more immersive feel. When you're on duty, you can visit a weapon cabinet inside each sheriff's office to collect your weapons and ammunition. Each cabinet can be fully customized per sheriff's office, and it can also be configured separately for each law enforcement department. We also placed a journal for each law enforcement department. These journals are shared, meaning they can be used collaboratively by the whole unit. They come with a wide range of configurable permissions, from who can access the journal, to which job grades are allowed to edit or delete the recorded log notes. We added a wanted system that lets you issue warrants for any player. Once created, the wanted poster appears instantly on the bounty boards you've configured. You can optionally attach an image to posters using a direct link, for example, a Discord-hosted image URL, or publish them without an image. All players can access these posters at the locations you choose, and they can clearly see which law enforcement department created each one. You can also make poster removal restricted to higher ranks only, and everything is configurable. Who is allowed to create posters and who is allowed to remove them. Another new feature we've added lets you see which law enforcement departments are currently online and how many officers are active in each one. For regular players, you can choose what is shown, only the number of online officers, or law enforcement plus number, or department plus number plus names if you want full visibility. On top of that, based on the ranks you define, officers can recruit or remove players from their own department directly through the system. We also include an hourly payment system. Officers who are on duty automatically receive the configured wage at the set interval for the duration of their shift. As you can see here, we're going to pick up a prisoner wagon from the designated location and take a look at the suspect interaction system. You can check a suspect's ID, handcuff them, escort them, place them into a vehicle, and remove them when needed. The system also verifies whether a player is handcuffed, and it's fully persistent. Even if the suspect disconnects and rejoins, they will spawn back in still cuffed. From the criminal record book, you can record the suspect's details, document their crimes in depth, and then choose how to process them. Send them to jail, issue a fine, or force them into community service. All of these systems are built with security protections in mind. Players can't exploit disconnects to bypass punishments. If someone tries to escape community service, the system will automatically send them back to the assigned community service area. If you want, you can also use a command that sends an alert directly to the sheriffs. By entering this command, players can report their location and instantly share it with on-duty law enforcement. The position will be sent and displayed on the map, allowing officers to respond quickly. If a player goes to jail and disconnects before completing their sentence, the system will penalize them by resetting the remaining jail time, meaning when they log back in, their sentence starts over. We also provide two options for jail escape control: jailbreak alert mode. If an inmate escapes and moves beyond a configured distance, the system instantly broadcasts a jailbreak alert to all law enforcement. Auto return zone mode. Alternatively, If a player tries to leave a defined prison area, the system will automatically teleport them back into jail, similar to how community service enforcement works. You can also enable auto jail mode. What does this mean? If a player commits a deadly action against another player or an NPC, for example killing them, the system can automatically send them to jail for a configured amount of time. Wipe their inventory completely, everything in their inventory gets removed. This creates an instant server-controlled punishment flow without requiring manual staff intervention. The entire system supports full language configuration. You can easily translate it into any language you want and integrate it into your server with minimal effort. Thanks for watching.